Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda CRV rear brake pads. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels, but do not remove them yet. Safely lift the vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Now, you can fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Remember, safety is paramount throughout this process. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Locate the two caliper guide bolts, usually 12 or 14 millimeters, and remove them. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor. Do not let it hang by the brake line. Use a bungee cord or wire to support it. Now, you can easily pull out the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Inspect the rotor for any deep grooves or damage. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool for this. Make sure the fluid reservoir cap is loose to prevent pressure buildup. Insert the new brake pads, along with any new shims, into the caliper bracket. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and reinsert the guide bolts, tightening them securely. This ensures proper brake function. With the new pads in place, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle completely and then torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 80 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston and ensures proper brake engagement. Take a short test drive at low speed to confirm everything feels right. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.